welcome back everyone to another TechZone video. I'm going to show you how to add the Windows 7 setup onto your USB drive so that you can boot it on your netbook, or you don't have to use the CD instead. Okay, so the requirements you will need either a 4 gig USB or recommended an 8 gig USB. Now I have a 8 gig USB, but it says 7.5. I don't know why. Okay, then you will need the program Win2Flash. That's the program we're going to be using today. I'll show you in a bit. Okay, and lastly you will need the Windows 7 setup. Now even though I have the ISO, all the files are in the ISO, right? You will need to extract all the files from the ISO into a separate folder. Okay, now I have the Windows 7 Ultimate setup as a folder, okay, not as an ISO. Okay, so make sure all the files are in a folder. I'll show you why in a bit. Okay, so let's begin. So first off, we need to format our USB stick. So right click on our USB drive. You can even do this on Windows XP as well. Click on format, and after that make sure the file system is set to NTFS. Now why not FAT32? NTFS loads a lot faster than FAT32. So if you select FAT32, your Windows setup will take, I don't know how long, it's just gonna take ages. Okay, so make sure you select NTFS. Volume label is the name. I'm gonna name it Windows 7 setup, and make sure it's on quick format. Now click start and it'll format. I don't even know why I typed the volume label, but anyways, just click start and it should format. Make sure it's on quick format because otherwise it'll take a while, and it should be formatted. Next up, let's open up Win2Flash. So let's open up the folder. The link will be in the description to download it. Okay, so let's open up Win2Flash. Okay, now this is mainly for Windows XP, right? So what we're gonna do is go to advanced mode, and now the task, we're gonna select transfer Windows Vista /2008/7 setup to USB drive. Click run. Now it's gonna ask you where the files are. Now the Vista setup files, now that's the folder we have to find. So select and browse to the setup folder. Okay, there we go. And okay, and the USB drive, select where's your USB drive. Mine is, wait a minute, what is it? Etch. So okay, remove the read-only attribute, yada yada yada, and click run. Accept the terms, continue. Now why would you want to transfer it to a USB? First of all, you don't have to use a CD, and this is recommended for netbooks, okay, because netbooks don't have a CD drive, so that's why you want to use a USB instead. So have an 8 gig USB ready for this, and then begin. Okay, so now it's transferring the files. This will take some time, about 15 minutes. I'm not exactly sure, but this will take some time, so I'll continue once the process is done. Alright, 25 minutes later. Wow. It has finally finished copying to the USB. It says finish. We can click OK and we're done. Let's check out our USB. It's called removable disk anyway. And if we check, there's all our files in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it on my netbook, and then I'm going to show you what to do. Alright, so sorry for the crappy camera, but I just want to make this quick. Okay, so now I'm on my computer right now, and what I'm going to do is, here's my USB, and I'm going to connect it in my netbook. And once done with that, we're going to restart the computer and go to the BIOS, where we're going to change the order, boot order, actually. Oh great, this has to come up. Okay, so as you may know, wait a minute, I didn't